In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your work in Adobe Illustrator after a crash. If Illustrator closes unexpectedly or you accidentally shut it down, the first thing to do is simply reopen the app. Give it a moment to launch fully. You don't need to create a new document or start clicking around right away. Illustrator often keeps track of your last session in the background, so reopening it is your quickest path to getting back what you were working on. Once the app is open, head straight to the File menu and choose Open Recent. Illustrator commonly lists documents from your last session here, and you may see the file you were editing moments before the crash. Look for the most recent entry and pay attention to the timestamps if they're visible. If you see an entry that looks right, open it from this list. If your document isn't in Open Recent, don't worry, your next stop is the autosave location. Illustrator creates recovery files in a dedicated folder for situations just like this. To identify where that folder lives on your system, you can check Illustrator's preferences later, but for now, navigate to your usual Illustrator data or recovery folder if you know it, or the location you typically use for working files. The key is to look for a file that Illustrator created automatically during your session. When you find it, it will usually have a name that starts with something like recovered or includes recovery in the title. Open that file. It may not include your absolutely last few changes, but in most cases, it will capture the bulk of your work up to a recent autosave point. As soon as that file opens successfully, save it right away. Go to File, then Save As, and choose a clear name and a safe location. Using Save As ensures you don't overwrite anything unintentionally and preserves the recovered version as a separate file. If you collaborate with others or use different Illustrator versions, you can also pick a compatible format here to avoid any issues later. To help prevent future data loss, turn on autosave and set it to a short interval. Go to Edit Preferences, File Handling, and Clipboard, then look for Data Recovery. Enable recovery and choose a frequency of every 2 to 5 minutes. 2 minutes gives you tighter protection, 5 minutes can be gentler on performance with very large files. Make sure the recovery location points to a fast local drive with enough free space. With this enabled, Illustrator will quietly save recovery snapshots as you work, so if something goes wrong, you'll have a recent lifeline ready to go.